Bringing thousands of overseas employment opportunities, the Department of Migrant Workers, or DMW, opened new doors for Filipino job seekers through a job fair. 13 accredited recruitment agencies took part in the event, offering over 4,000 job openings for skilled and professional workers eager to build a future abroad. Our Noel Talakay tells us more.
This will be the first time for Cecil, who is 43 years old, to work abroad. That is, if she actually lands an opportunity abroad. She shares that she will endure the loneliness and fear for the sake of her family to be able to give her children a better future.
Siguro po dahil sa mga anak. Number one siguro yun, sir. Nakailangan siguro madagdagan yung income.
Cecil is a skilled worker. Her target is to get housekeeping job anywhere in the world.
Actually, massage therapist talaga ako ng halos 11 years. Tapos po, parang napagod. Tapos nag-housekeeping ako. Yun yung trabaho ko ngayon.
Cecil was just one of the thousands of Filipino job seekers who participated in the job fair by the Department of Migrant Workers, or DMW, held at one of the malls in Ortigas, EDSA.
This is in celebration of women for our Women's Month, and ito sa isang pagpupugay sa kababaihang Pilipina.
According to the DMW, there were 13 accredited agencies that participated in the job fair, while some 4,370 jobs for skilled and professional workers were offered. There are 10 countries that job seekers can choose to work in, such as the US, Congo, Hungary, and many others. Cecil was fortunate because a housekeeping job in Taiwan was available, with an estimated salary of up to $500 per month.
Depende yan sa offer ng kanyang employer through the recruitment agency. But definitely, this is just an assessment. I don't think it will be it will not be less than $400 or $500 US.
Sa housekeeping naman po, kahit wala pong experience, pwede po mag-apply po sa amin. Directly po, walk-in. Basta kompleto po yung mga requirements.
During the job fair, DMW also conducted anti-illegal recruitment and trafficking in-person seminar and pre-employment seminar for job seekers who were at the wedding area. A one-stop shop was also set up, wherein some government agencies provided assistance for the requirement of job seekers like SSS, Pag-ibig Fund, and DFA.